अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज मैं आप लोगों को सुनाऊंगी एक बुक में कहानी। आप लोगों को पता है ये कौन सी कहानी है? आप लोगों को शायद नहीं पता होगा, तो मैं आप लोगों को दिखाती हूँ। और ये इंग्लिश वाली है कहानी। हम ना इंग्लिश में ये पढ़ेंगे और बहुत अच्छे तरह के आप लोग भी ऑर्डर करना। And friend is going the swing and Floppy also is going the swing. And while to sing, I am sit the swing and Floppy sing, what are you doing? And this is sing, look at the boy. This is swing. And one little sit the boy and Floppy sing, wow, this is good. And boy saying, wow, this is very good. I am also swing. And two little sit the swing one. And Floppy saying, no, come here. You are going the water. And this is saying, wow, this is good. And three little sit the one swing. And Floppy saying, no, come here, you are three little, and this is going the water. And boy saying, look at the water, you are going the water. Now four little sit the swing, and this is saying, oh, look at the fish is coming. And five little sit the swing, and this is saying, of God, you are going the water. And this is going the house, and Floppy is saying, I have to also swing. And this is going the water. Oh, time to watching a laugh.
माने कि क्या था?
ये है कहानी।
किसकी?
ये इंग्लिश की कहानी है। इसको हम अच्छी तरह, बस आप लोग भी इस तरह की कहानी बुक सुने और ऐसे ही ऑर्डर करें। और अगर आप लोगों को ऑर्डर करने तो सबसे पहले इस वीडियो को लाइक करें, कमेंट करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज।